Oh hey guys! Look what we just bought at Walmart.
It's a CD called Arthur, DW and Kate OS.
And we can only use it on laptop or computer.
We were about to use it on our laptop.
But I had an idea, and it was, install this OS on David Reed's computer work.
Away. You're still grounded, so not going out the house.
I agree. Come on, Cody, let's take care of our babies.
Well, let's just go out of the window.
Good idea. Okay. Let's go to the office.
Duh. That was a lot of running.
But anyways, we are now to the office workers, where Dad works.
Now let's give David Reed the Arthur, DW and Kate OS. Okay, now what?
I don't know where David Reed is.
Maybe here.
Oh, I have to go to the bathroom.
Okay, it's time to install the Arthur, DW and Kate OS.
Now let's put the disk.
Muy bien, okay, the Arthur, DW and Kate OS is starting up. Now let's get out of here with Beyond Logic.
Okay, now I'm back, and let's continue my job. And do you want to install Arthur, DW and Kate OS? No. 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 I'm clicking no.
Ha 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 ha. Either.
You cannot click no.
So we'll click yes.
Welcome to Arthur, DW and Kate OS. If you need help, just tell us, and we will help you.
Well, then I'll just go to Google Chrome. I'll go to Beyond.
No. You're not visiting any websites.
No YouTube. No Vion.
Or other websites.
I'm going to play some games, while I find a way to destroy this thing. Oh, there is a game called Ground Arthur, DW and Kate. I will play it.
Did you like the magic trick
that we just did?
Fuck dang it. I just got a green screen of death. I will press any key to continue. I will listen some music instead of playing games.
Every day when you're walking down the street, everybody that you meet has an original point of view. And I say, hey, what a wonderful kind of day. If you could learn to work and play and get along with.
Hey.
I am going to write something in the notepad. Now I'll save it.
No. That was very mean of you.
You know what?
We are removing games and Notepad for good.
I guess I need Boris's help. Did you said that you need my help? Well, I just got a Arthur, DW and Kate OS, and I don't know how to delete it. Okay, but what about the start button? Is there something special? Oh, there is a kill button, so that means I can get rid of this thing.
We will be
following
Oh no, they deleted the OS.
What the fuck, Caillou, Rosie and Daisy? Are you behind all of this? Tell me the truth.
Yes, we are behind all of this.
We brought a CD called Arthur, DW and Kate OS.
That's why you got this OS.
Please forgive us.
Never, we'll never forgive you. That's it, I'll call Mom about this.
Caillou, Rosie and Daisy, I can't believe you gave your David Reed's computer work the Arthur, DW and Kate OS. That's it, you are so grounded for 999,999,999,999 years. Get to your room right now and go to sleep forever.